this window that we're dealing with right now.
Well, the big concern is, as you've heard, completing the rescue and completing the searches to make sure everybody's accounted for. Second thing is getting supplies.
Hey there.
As bad as this is, it's really now about, can you just get supplies to people, or can you get people to where they're in better conditions?
I bet Jehovah really is appreciable about this.
And we see accidents.
Life. You're taking care of his life.
We see other things that can hurt people.
So you're willing to take care of it. So Jehovah will show up and just be like, you know what? Maybe I was wrong about you. You know what? You are worthy. Warm presence.
Turn on things like individual assistance, so people without insurance can start applying for FEMA help, getting a place to stay, getting some initial funding to start taking care of immediate needs. And so that's all taking place. But there's another group that's looking at getting the infrastructure on it. It's something nobody's talking about yet. But it's got to